Is it necessary to burp my child every day? Every day? Really? You have to burp your child after every meal. It is a golden rule. Whether your child is sleeping or playing, you have to burp them. Because if you don't burp them and let them lie down, and if they happen to vomit, there is a high chance of aspiration. And you don't have time to react. So here are 3 ways to burp your child. Number 1. Over the shoulder burping technique. Number 2. Sitting on your lap burping technique. Number 3. Lying on a lap burping technique. If this helped you, it might help someone else too. So share this video.